Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. Today we got one of the baddest analog watch faces to review today. Now, I paid $1 for this in the Gear Manager store. I think it's worth its weight in gold. We told you we're going to bring you some more analog watch faces. For the people who are looking for the digital, trust me, we got that coming right up. But with that being said, the name of the watch face is called WBA-011. Analog Multicolor. Now, if you're talking about hitting the town or you're going to be dressing to impress, I'm trying to get you ready for the weekend early. This is going to be the watch face to download for the weekend, people. But with that, let's check it out. Now, in the always on mode, it's just going to be dimmed down in the LD mode. You're pretty much going to get the same look as if the watch face is on. You're not going to miss a beat at all so far as the information is concerned. But when the watch face is on, I do like the look. I do like the blending of the traditional versus modern. Not bad at all, people. You get a couple of dials, battery percentage, your step info, you get a nice smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. I do like the style of the hands, very unique, very classy, and I do like the way that brings out the whole watch face. That's where the modern part comes in at. You get your day, your date, also your month. If I tap right here, I can set an alarm. If I tap over on this side, I can get my music player. So I thought this was definitely a good look. And for the price I paid for it, this is not bad at all. Now, if I double tap here, I can change the color of the dials. Change it to whatever color you would like and let it stay. Not a bad look, people. I can do the same thing with the bezel. The index is going around the bezel of the watch. I can customize the color of that one. So I thought the developer really did an awesome job on this watch face. Listen, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And if you liked the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you didn't like the video, could you please hit the like button on your way out? And with that being said, if you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to the channel. And as always, people, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.